Shinu, Shawl the Nemeshire and Jew. Aye, she la.
Free. In your la bria, no la vria a hound. Is the word la masculine or feminine?
She la Arlin a hound.
Phew, got away with it that time, eh?
Is this situation even somewhat familiar? Remember, in Scottish Gaelic, all nouns are either masculine or feminine, and that can affect, for example, a following adjective. So how do you know if a word is masculine or feminine? There's a few rules or guides, but remember, there's always exceptions. Male names or male animals are firin, culach mór, colum gorach. Female names or female animals are feminine, kerk vor, eli gorach. If the final vowel in a word is broad, A, O or U, then it's generally masculine. And if a word ends in IR or ICHE, then it's also firin, masculine. Burger, klesiche. If the final vowel in a word is slender, E or I, then generally it's borin, feminine. And if a word ends in uk or uch, AG or ACHD, then it's also borin. Runak, bardach. Trees, seasons, colours, masculine, firin. Countries, musical instruments, diseases, borin, feminine. And my tip, make mistakes. Saun nur een nishin merken e hechakin jonzachich. By the way, she la bria a hound.